Joseph Armstrong from Triple T's Productions. In today's episode, we will go over the user interface for PowerPoint. The first step, as always, is to launch the application. First we will choose a theme. The theme can help your presentation look professional and vibrant. So, decide on one that makes sense to what you are presenting. For example, if your presentation is for a corporate audience, try choosing a theme that incorporates shades of blue. Click Create and begin your first slide. The first slide that appears is usually the title slide. In the top text box, type in what you want the title to be. Next, to add a new slide, stay in the Home tab and look under the Slide section. Click on Add a new slide. To add another style of slide to your presentation, look under the Slide section again and click text that says Add new slide. Click on the desired type of slide format you would like. Then, add information that you would need for this slide. For our next demonstration, make sure you have a blank slide. Then go to Insert, Illustrations, and click on the Chart button. For this example, let's choose an XY, scatter, graph, and click OK. In the Excel window that pops up, type the following values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now, type the following in the Y values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Once you are done, close the window, and now your chart is created. To add a transition to your presentation, start by clicking on the title slide on the left under the Transitions tab. In the Transitions section, select any of the transitions from the list to apply them to the slide. Repeat as many times as necessary to get all the transitions through the presentation. Now your presentation is completed. Press the F5 key on the top of your keyboard to present, or select the slideshow menu, and select the From Beginning option on the left side of the menu. This concludes our video covering the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. As always, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Microsoft Office.